Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Pooja Sharma from H.J. Gajera English Medium School, Primary Section Gatargam. My subject is English and I am going to teach you a topic from English 2 means grammar. My topic is naming words. So our today's topic is naming words. Now let's start. Now you read these sentences. Ramesh is an intelligent student. Number 2 is the cow is a domestic animal. Number 3 is we live in Mumbai. Number 4 is I bought a new book. So what did you note in these sentences? The words Ramesh, cow, Mumbai, books are naming words. Okay, underlined words are naming words. Now, according to these sentences which we have read, the naming word is a name of a person, place, animal, fruits, vegetables or things. In other words, we can say everything has its name. For example, boy, girl, man, any building. For place, Taj Mahal, then Red Fort, Qutub Minar, then monkeys there, cat, lion, vegetables and fruits. Now, by reading all these, we have learned that everything around us has a name. All names are called naming words. Naming words are also called noun. I hope so. Some topic is clear to you. For example, name of vegetables and fruits, as we have learned in earlier classes, some names of birds, animals, vegetables and fruits. Here four examples are given. Banana is the example of a fruit, mango is example of fruit, then tomato, brinjal. These are examples of vegetables. Now, let's do some exercise according to explanation I have done. Now, who are the people? Write the correct name from the box. It is very interesting exercise and every student should know it. Okay, the first picture of which it is of a potter, P-O-T-T-E-R, potter. Now the second picture is, we can easily identify it. It is a policeman, P-O-L-I-C-E, police, M-A-N, man. Then third picture is of farmer, yes, F-A-R-M-E-R, farmer. Now next is, as you all know, who teaches you? Teacher teaches you. So the picture is of teacher, T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher. Now the next picture is of shopkeeper, okay, S-H-O-P, shop, K-E-E-P-E-R, keeper. Next, driver, who drives vehicles? Driver, D-R-I-V-E-R, driver. Then, who treats us when we are sick? It is a doctor, D-O-C-T-O-R, doctor. Then, who paints picture? It is artist, A-R-T-I-S-T, artist. Now, let's move to the next exercise. Students, can you name these things? Write the correct word from the given words. Okay. Now, these are things, you need to name them. Okay, the first picture is of bat, B-A-T, bat. Then the second one is a doll, D-O-L-L, doll. Then the third picture is of brush, B-R-U-S-H, brush. Then fourth picture is S-H-I-P, ship. Next one is D-R-U-M, drum. Next, C-A-R, car. And the second last picture is of a ball, BALL, ball. And the last one is TRAIN, train. So these are naming words, means things naming word. Now, do you know these places? Write the correct words from the box. First one is very good place for small kids, or for we are going there for walking. Yes, so first picture is of park, PARK, park. Second one is where animals are found, that are zoo, ZOO, zoo. Third one is a classroom. It is a very common place where you study. Okay, it is a classroom, CLASS, class, ROOM, room. Then, as from picture, it can be recognized very easily that it is a railway station. RAILWAY, railway, STATION, station, railway station. Now the next picture is of a hospital, HOSPITAL, hospital. Then after that it is a picture of a library where children can study and read. Okay, sit where we need to sit quietly, and in our school also there is a library. Yes or no? Yes, LIBRARY, library. Then the second last picture is of a place which is a market where we go to buy groceries, things, everything. Okay, so it is a market, MARKET, market. Then the last one is police station, POLIC, police, STATION, station. Now let's move to next exercise. Circle the naming words in these sentences. Our first sentence is, the boy flies a kite. Can you guess the naming words? Yes, the boy is a naming word over here, and kite is also a naming word over here. Yes. Now the second one is, the man drives a van. Okay, so the man drives a van means man is a person over here, and van is a naming word for thing. Okay, now let's move to number 3. This train moves very fast. So here train is a naming word of, and now number 4. The gate to the park is closed. Okay, so in this sentence, which are the naming words? Yes, gate is a thing, then park is a place. So these two are naming words. Now let's move to number 5. There are small birds in the nest. So in this sentence, birds are the naming words, and nest is also a naming word. Now the last one is number 6. There are many people at the bus stop. So in this sentence, people is a naming word and also a bus stop. Okay, so here our last exercise is complete. I hope so you all have understood it very clearly. Let's move now, and let's meet soon again